Welcome guys to this video. I will show you step by step how to edit your PDF in Nitro PDF Pro. So guys, open your PDF Nitro on your computer and then select your PDF file, and this is my PDF file guys. And then of the section here you have, as you can select the element of document, and you can select this element, for example this one, and you can select here, and then you can select have snapshot option. This is good option guys. You can select here, the selected area has been copied. You can copy area from here. As you can see here, we have also type text. You can add a text here, any text you can add, for example this one, and you can change the color of the text. And if I go back, you have also you can change your font of the text, and you can embed anything here guys. You can see here. So guys, if I go back here, click not, and I want to upload the PDF again, for example this one, this PDF, my PDF, you can highlight this one. You can also highlight this text from here. Just select the area and then just click the right mouse, and then you can edit this highlight part of your PDF. You have two words. You can convert this PDF to Word, and you have a lot of things you can do guys. You can also use this option zoom. You can zoom over a PDF, and you can edit from here guys. You can just click edit option from here, and you can delete. For example, you want to delete this part, just click delete. As you can see here, that part was deleted successfully. So guys, and you can also add things like select line only, and you have home option. You can add the tools from here. You can write a drawing, add cycle or line from here. You can do anything here guys. It is easy steps. You can, for example, select the line here, for example this one, and you can add this line. So this is how you can do guys. You can add also notes from here. You can add a note from here, this section, and you can write your notes from here. Thanks guys for watching this video. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget to give like and share this video for more content.